What's up, your moneymaker and Shib Army? Welcome back to the channel. In this particular video, I'll be talking about how much money do you need to invest in Shiba Inu to potentially turn into $100,000, $100,000, and potentially into $1 million as well. There are a lot of people out there who start stocking when Shiba Inu starts going up, and you want to turn money into 2x, 10x, 5x, 15x, whatever the number is. But in this particular video, right now we are in a lot of FUD. Fear, uncertainty, and doubt, a lot of reasons. International reason that is going on with Russia and Ukraine. Second reason is pandemic, which is getting better day by day. Third thing is the bond tapering that we may hear from Fed. Fourth is the inflation and data that you have been hearing. And the fifth is the interest rates hike that is coming. Take a look, 4% down into the overall market cap in crypto, 1.73 in last 24 hours. Take Bitcoin is down 4%, 1.76% it is up in last 7 days, but wiped out all the gain. We have seen it is going down, came back up and trying to consolidate. Very similar chart for Ether as well, going back down, came back up and trying to consolidate. BNB, same. If you take a look, Cardano, same chart. Solana, same chart. What I want to tell you is how much money you need to invest in Shiba Inu. We have seen some whooping, massive return in terms of Shiba Inu in last 1 year, 226,000% up, which is a massive return, which means you can turn $1 into such a massive thousands of dollars to $2,200. Just $100 can turn into $2,300. That could be another opportunity because right now we are in a very low price point. If you take a look, we are at one of the bottom price point at the 2 and 3 level, which is massive. If you take a look at the chart for last 1 year, you should be able to see is we went all the way to 2.1 as the lowest price point. We got back up pretty quickly to 3 levels, and we have in the past seen the 8 levels, and we can go back 8 to 9 levels rather, and we can easily go back once the market situation gets better. Now when the market is fearful, you want to be greedy. Before I go ahead, I just wanted to ask if you can hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. That will be super helpful. I have been covering a ton of OTC penny stocks on this channel, including some of the great growth stocks, including Tesla and NIO that can double, and potentially NIO can triple or quadruple as well in 2022, so you don't want to miss out on that. So subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, hit the like button at the least. That will help me, that will help this channel, and the growth doesn't really cost you anything. So hit that. I'm not a financial advisor, rather I do a ton of research and I like to share the information with you, hoping you can make informed financial decision. In this particular video, I'll be talking about Shiba Inu, what price point that you want to consider, how you can be a millionaire investing in Shiba Inu, what you should be thinking about when you want to get the entry point. And this is not from me, this is from the analyst, what to do next with Shiba Inu, possible entry point into the accumulation phase. And this just came out yesterday. This article, I really like this article and I really want to share what the author is saying. We'll talk about how much money you need to convert that into $100,000 and potentially $1 million. We'll talk about Vechain. This is another cryptocurrency that can 25x just in 2022. And I want to share all this juicy and very important information with you. Hit the like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell. Let's get back into Shiba Inu. Now, market, a lot of FUD. Take a look. Dow Jones is down once again 1%. Nasdaq is down 0.30%. Right now, S&P is almost 1% down. We are in fear index right now. Extreme fear with 20 index. Yesterday, extreme fear 26. Last week, extreme fear 25. And last month, extreme fear 24. Don't you think that this will rebound at one point? Probably it will. If you start seeing about Bitcoin, what's going on, the volume started going up because a lot of people started buying at this price point with 26 billion in volume. Take a look, 34.30%, which means more and more people are buying at this price point, thinking it will stable at any given point. However, if the Russia situation gets worse, it could impact it can still go a little bit down, but you want to think about dollar cost averaging out on your investment. If you take a look at Shiba Inu, what's going on in last 7 days, we have been going down and up. So we went to almost 2.1 level that we had seen 2.021 level, and we got back up to 2.425 level, which is 25% spike. And right now we're trying to find out what is the best price point that you want to think. Now, if you want to think about Shiba Inu investment, if you invest $1 and if it reaches 1 cent, as many people are saying, you are turning that $1 into $500, $499. Now, instead, if you invest $100, you are turning that into $50,000, almost $50,000. Now, what I really want to tell you about is Instead of that, if Shiba Inu goes to 0.001, how much money do you need to invest in order to turn your investment into potentially $100,000? Now, if we hit 1 cent, many people are saying there could be certain things should happen. One of the good thing about Shiba Inu is every time Elon Musk supports the dog theme currency, whether it's Dogecoin or Floki or whatever that is, Shiba Inu tends to spike up. And many people are saying that there will be huge burn coming up for Shiba Inu. Now, if that happens and if Shiba Inu by any means hits 1 cent, you are looking at the investment of $201 that can turn into $100,000. Such a massive return. Now, you might be looking here and saying, oh, it's a 50,000% plus. Can that really happen? Now take a look historically what happened in last 1 year. We have seen 226,000% spike into Shiba Inu. That can very well happen once again because we are at a historical lower price point of 2. So I put the current price point 0.0002. So how much Shiba Inu do you need? You need 10.05 million of Shiba Inu, or the investment worth $201 can precisely turn into $100,000. So your profit is $100,000 and $299 you get back that you invested, which is amazing. So $201 can turn into $100,000. Now, if you ask me, what if you want to become a millionaire? You want to invest $210, and that can very well turn into $1 million. Now, this is very speculative. I'm not a financial advisor, so definitely do your own due diligence. Probably I am not in a position to invest $2,000 in Shiba Inu at the moment, but I may start little by little, and $201 for me, I think it's doable. If I lose that, doesn't wake me up at night. This is a pretty risky investment. It's risk versus reward, so do your own due diligence. Now, I just wanted to tell you what price point could be the best price point to be a millionaire. Now, millionaires are batting against long-term uncertainty, and many people stick to one particular cryptocurrency or multiple, couple of them, not every single cryptocurrency, and they have done extremely well. With respect to Shiba Inu, it's a war of perception. Shiba Inu won the war, at least at the moment. Shiba Inu appreciated 1000x over the last year. However, the meme token hasn't just seen a lot of smooth sailing, and the reasons, as you already know, it's not just Shiba Inu, it's the entire market. Everything is going down. We have seen VAT goes down from 25 cents all the way up to right now what you see at 4 cents. So it's not just Shiba Inu. And by the way, VAT is solving some of the real world's problem that I'll go talk in more detail in just within next a minute or two. But what I want to leave you with is, what is the conclusion? The idea of Shiba Inu might be accumulation phase right now at the moment, not for everyone, but if that is for you, want to think about until Shiba Inu, what is the best price point? 2060, as I just explained. I was thinking 2090 could be a good price point, but you can also look at 2060 as a potential support. If it crosses that support, it can go down a little bit more. Now, the author of this article in the conclusion saying until then, the 2060 and 25, it's around the areas could offer the longer term buying opportunity, and you can target the 3.3 level, which is once again more than 50% up, because from 2 level to 3.3 level, it's precisely 60 to 65% up. I do not have the calculator, but do the math. It's pretty good. Now, the second cryptocurrency I just want to quickly touch upon, which can 25x just in 2022, is Vechain. I love Vechain because it's all solving real world's problem. Now, take a look what's happening with Vechain. The volume started going up, and we are up 25% in volume in the last 24 hours because this is juicy price point. At this price point of 4.5 cents, it can spike up. Why Vechain? Because Vechain is solving, as I just mentioned, real world's problem. It is following, by the way, Vechain is following precisely the chart of Bitcoin. So let's go back to Bitcoin and take a look at 1 month. So we see it going up, going down, and right now it's consolidating. I want to show you the chart of Vechain for 1 month as well. This is the Vechain chart. You can take a look at 1 month, and you should be able to see that Vechain went up the same way Bitcoin did. This is the Bitcoin chart, and this is the Vechain chart. You can see went up, a little bit down, went up, and right now it went down, and right now it's consolidation in the consolidation phase. So you want to do your own due diligence. By the way, it has more than 2 years of partnership with Walmart. It is solving some of the real world's problems, especially in the retail industry, that can be mimicked or replicated to many other industry, because what it does is very similar to what you see in the barcode or QR code. It can identify a unique transaction, which is massive in my opinion. It can also talk to some of the IoT devices, which is important, Internet of Things, which is going to be the future. It can identify every single event and particularly segment that out. They also can solve the problem. It is right now in the partnership with Vechain and MasterCard. They're backing up the Australia-China supply chain management, which is huge. It is not going to stop just right there. Vechain and Simplex that become partners to enable purchase of VAT token with wide range of payment methods like Visa, MasterCard, Apple Pay, Swift, more. So they started the partnership that can lead them into a bright future. So you want to think about that as well. Vechain also launched this stable coin. Now, every single time we have seen stable coin, that we have seen that the particular cryptocurrency related to that exploded. Now, Vechain VAT token did not really have the chance because we were into like very red days, day by day, because of some of the FUD that I just mentioned before a few days that started happening, before a few weeks rather. It started happening around November and December. We started seeing some stuff around the inflation, some stuff around the once again with the pandemic that was going on, which is getting better and better day by day. But the stablecoin is going to impact in the long term. What is stablecoin? If you did not really know, they're the cryptocurrency attempt to peg their market value to some external references, and that may be pegged currencies like US dollars, Great Britain pound, something like that, to a commodity price such as gold, so on and so forth. And that gives you best of the both worlds, which means you can get the stability via collateralization or the backing up with the algorithm mechanism, and it is a derivative of the asset. So it's not super volatile like cryptocurrency, and you can use that stable coin to buy cryptocurrency. That's the idea when you think about stable coin, that has in the long term given an opportunity for a particular cryptocurrency to spike massively. Now, Vechain and VAT token, that could be under token, which is relatively stable. We did not really see a huge downturn, but it comes back up, and I have no doubt that Vechain can go above 10 cents within next few weeks as soon as we start seeing the market stabilizes. So do your own due diligence. Once again, I am not a financial advisor. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell. I'll see you in the next video.